How do you think my brain is made for?
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 10. I messed up, y'all. I did not upload Vlogmas day 9 yesterday. That's my bad. Not gonna lie. I was tired and yeah, I was tired. I don't really have no excuse other than I was tired. Yeah, I like my new coat. I think it's very cutesy and cozy, and the funny thing is it's like 54 degrees outside. It's not even cold, and the one day it's not cold. My face is like red, but it's just always like that. The one day it's not cold, and I have on a coat. But I'm about to go to the store because I need to pick up some stuff. I just want to take this skirt off because, y'all, as cute as it is, I feel very bloated, okay? I had ordered a cheesesteak on my lunch break today, which is not like me. I know. I told y'all that eating out and I've been eating out. But that's because I have not been having time. Like, I cooked last night, but I didn't get to finish cooking. Just like I didn't get to freaking upload. I just didn't have time. And, yeah. But I'm about to go get some de la Croix. So, and then tomorrow, I'm going to actually get groceries. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm tired. Like, my energy today was so low. Like, the first portion of the day was pretty up there, but I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm tired. For real. It's not even funny. I have to buy my camera like ASAP. Like, when I say I don't have no storage, I have to keep letting it like cut me off and then delete some stuff to make room just to clip it again. Like, yo, I'm not feeling this, no storage thing. So I'm gonna get my camera immediately and I wanna get my iPad too. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently at work and I forgot my coffee home. I left it in the freezer like a dummy. So I had to make coffee here, which isn't the tastiest. But yeah. I made it do what it do though. I'm eating my late breakfast because you girl don't have time to eat it. For real. So I uploaded Vlogmas day 9 on day 10. Real late last night. But it was before midnight, so I should be proud of me because I came home at 8 o'clock. Took a nap. Woke up at 11. And upload it just for y'all. For real. So you should be proud. I hope I'm not showing the logos. Well, I'll blur that name out, don't worry. But yeah. I just want to talk to y'all because it is a chill day. Tomorrow, I'll be going to my school to fill out some work. And then Friday, I have an eye doctor appointment. I will vlog that because I'm pretty sure they're going to tell me I need glasses. I'm not going to lie. Like, I'm almost positive. Unfortunately. Hang on, y'all.
Yeah. Wait, tell me that I would have subscribed.
I didn't tell you?
You did.
Oh, Ophelia, I have a YouTube. I'm gonna show you when we done. So I have my AC Wacy here finna break down something to me, y'all. Something that I'll be talking to y'all about self-control and standing on what you say you'll do. But what she just tried to break down to me is that it's okay to have fun sometimes. But then I'm trying to say, like, is it really fun if the aftermath isn't fun? You can re-explain, you know, how you broke it down.
Okay, so basically,
about being drunk.
Right. It's just like if you're going out with your girls, right? Mm-hmm. And you're going out, you're drinking, having a good time. Mm-hmm. And then the next day you wake up and you may feel like, damn, I overdrank and it was just a lot.
Hungover and all that.
Right. Mm-hmm. But at the same time, you still have to look at it like, at least I ain't died or nothing. Mm-hmm. I just went out, I had a good time, and I may drink a little bit much.
Yeah, you're human, you know.
What I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
You have our flaws and we all do. extra sometimes, but it's like there's things in life that you can control. There's things in life that you can't control.
Okay, what's the things that we can't control?
You can't control what time you wake up. Sometimes your body does it for you. You can't control the fact when you're hungry. Your body just automatically be like, feed me. Like there's things when you're sick, like all these instances.
But what about, those are like natural things. What about when it comes to another person? Like if you say, I'm not going to deal with this person, or I'm not going to do this, and then you turn around and do it.
Laws of attraction is definitely a thing.
It really is.
It's definitely a thing. Law of attraction.
So how do we manage that? What were you saying? You said about the self-control.
So depending on the person, as long as it's not a toxic situation where they're like putting their hands on you or anything like that, I don't feel as though that's such a bad thing to do. I feel like if it's just for a good time, you guys are both attracted to each other, and it's just for a good time, it's a good time. I don't see anything wrong with that as long as you ain't catching no diseases.
Well, yeah, for sure.
For sure. I don't see anything wrong with that.
I see that output. I look at it from a standpoint of putting yourself, like, prioritizing yourself. You know, it's okay to have fun, but, like, just because something is fun doesn't mean it's good for you.
Of course. You know that.
So that's how I look at it.
I look at it like this. Like, I've always looked at life like this. Like, yeah, fire is good to heat up things, but you just can't touch it. You see what I'm saying? Like,
because you're going to get hurt.
Exactly.
That's my point.
You see what I'm saying? But you need fire still. You feel what I'm saying? You still something.
So you gonna have me? You gonna have me doing the wrong thing?
It's not that I want to have you doing the wrong thing. But you have to think about certain things. Like you, sometimes you need interactions with people.
That's true.
To learn life lessons.
That is true, and that's gonna be my next topic. I'm talking about like basically just learning. Like you have to do wrong in order to know what's right.
Exactly.
Okay, so we're on the same page a little bit.
It's literally a process. Like,
it really is.
How are you supposed to learn how to walk if you never crawl?
Exactly.
Like, it's literally how you...
Or how you supposed to know how to get back up if you never fell?
You see what I'm saying?
Alright, so I'm going to keep doing it. Like, I'm just kidding. No, I get it. I definitely get it, though.
You genuinely know that what you're doing is a problem for you. Not more so the other person.
Yeah, but for
that's
what I
go
for.
That's you necessarily have to work on. Like, you know what? Maybe this is not going to be a good outcome. Like, yeah, fun and thrills is great, but hey, babes.
Hi.
I stopped using your computer.
You okay? Is this over?
For the year, yeah.
Okay. What you doing now?
Oh, I'm in nursing school, so I got exams this week.
Oh. Well, good luck.
Thank you. Yeah, it's form today. What y'all in here, Kiki?
No, we're actually going over a topic for my YouTube channel. Yeah, we're having good combos.
She's the one going through things.
Not bad or nothing like that,
okay.
but thanks for the love.
Yeah.
She said,
Love that.
I'm cracking up. You play so much. Yes. I'm over here waiting for my water to heat up to make my morning tea.
Okay.
You know, because Ophelia needs her tea.
She does. Ophelia? You don't know Ophelia?
No, I don't.
Oh, what should her name be? What's her name?
Sophia.
What would your name be?
What would your name be?
Rebecca.
Oh, Rebecca.
We love that.
Oh, that's a little bit fancy. That's a little bit fancy. I like that.
Wait for me. Don't like that. Tell them I'm not here.
Would you do that, please?
Oh, wow. There's kids here. Okay, well, great convo.
I'll be back.
I'm going to give you the channel so you can see our convos. From my notes, like, from my channel, but... that's too big. I have my personal journal, but this isn't my personal journal. This is my work personal journal, so it's a little bit different. But yeah, I think I get what she was putting down for sure. I feel like that is true. It's okay to live, and that's going to be in my next topic. Actually, tonight I'm going to film the rest of this conversation because it's kind of a little bit along the lines of the notes I was making at 2 a.m. this morning for my channel. I really be dedicated, y'all, but that is true. It's okay to be human. It's okay to live, and that's how you learn. You live and you learn. So I had to stop being so hard on myself with certain stuff. I ain't gonna lie, because I do be like having high expectations of myself. And if I don't like stand on it or do it, I just be like, damn, I feel bad. Like I make myself feel bad when really it's really not even like that. Like I be chilling, life be like good, but it's like if I say, oh, I'm gonna upload every day at 8 o'clock and then I upload, let's say 10 p.m. or midnight, I'm hard on myself because I set the expectation. And that's why she said, don't set certain expectations for yourself. And my other friends used to tell me this all the time, like stop having such expectation, high expectation, because if it doesn't happen the way you want it, you're upset for no reason. And that is so true. Like, I have to work on it. This is why Princess Diaries is a thing now, because I'm learning, and from what I can learn, I want to express to other people and teach other people maybe in the same position or in the same mindset. Like, I want to actually share those things with you guys, because to me, it really is important. Like, being self-aware, being transparent with yourself, with other people, being able to be in tune with your own emotions, like, that is so important. And that is the key to, like, a soft life. Like, knowing you and knowing it's okay to mess up, but it not be looked at as a mess up. It be looked at as, like, you're human, you're just having experiences, and there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't know why I'm like that. I think certain people will tell me something that makes me feel like, dang, I'm doing it wrong, and then I'll talk to somebody else who's like, you're not doing anything wrong at all. So it's like, I guess it's also about the people you surround yourself with, or not even surround yourself, because I'm not really surrounded by a lot of people, but more so who you have a conversation with about certain things. Because maybe there'll be good advice for certain areas, but not all areas. So do what's best for you. Period. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get home, because I gotta actually work now.
Cozy.
I just had one of my members offer to do my lashes for free. She did my nails like last month ago. Not these, but the ones I was telling you guys about. And she started off doing lashes, so she's gonna do a free set. But what's exciting is she got the brown lashes that I asked her to get, which is really good. So I'm excited to model some lashes. Ooh. And they're gonna be brown. So I'm gonna do that on Tuesday, because I have a busy schedule this week. And then the weekend, I'm not available on weekends, I'm not gonna lie. Like, weekdays is probably the best day to get me after work. Days that I'm not going to the gym. So Tuesday I won't be going to the gym, I'm going Monday. So Tuesday after work, I will be going to get my lashes done. She's so sweet. Love that. She just came into the office. She's like, can I do your lashes free? I'm like, no, not for free. She's like, yes, for free. I'm like, oh, God. I be feeling so bad. I'm still going to tip, of course, but, you know, I don't know. It's just the niceness in me. I'm like, no, you got to get paid your worth. But, you know, she is gonna try something different using the app where it like gives you the lash map. So she wants to like try that. I'm gonna let her freestyle. Why not? You know, why not? Gotta be a baby, you know. But yeah, that should be more content. So I'm excited. I need to make sure I get cute on Tuesday, even though I'm cute every day. But I gotta get real cute on Tuesday for sure. So that should be fun. You guys will see, of course, that process. But let me get back to work. I just wanted to update y'all because I have to let y'all know what's going on in my life. Like, literally, we're friends. Yeah, we're friends. So I just had to let y'all know that. Yo, I got hungry. It's 10 o'clock. And y'all see me eating at 8, so big bet. Got a PB&J. And a bruise on my arm from the kids here. Maybe a little bit violent, just a little bit, you know. We're gonna let it slide. But I'm not gonna lie. This sandwich not gonna cut it. I'm hungry for real. I have a burger and mac and cheese and rice for lunch. It's a chicken burger. Yeah, it's chicken. Love that. I'm gonna actually get groceries today. I've been saying it all week. But when I'm done recording, I'm gonna actually order it, like add it to the cart and everything. So when I get off, it's already there. Like, for real. Because I keep saying it and I just don't. Like, I be, like, tied up. And, like, if I'm not home, I can't order it. So it's like, I don't be home. And then when I am home, I don't know what I be doing. Y'all be seeing what I be doing. I was tired yesterday. I went right to sleep. After work, I took a whole 3-hour nap. It was only supposed to be like a little 2-hour. I would lay down at like... Did I lay down at 8 or did I lay down at 6? Did I lay down at 6? I was supposed to wake up at 8. I woke up at 11. In my head, I'm like, oh, I took a 3-hour nap. No. It was like a 5-hour nap. I don't regret it though. I needed that sleep. I was tired. For real. Right now, I'm just filling out, I'm making a resume for my school. Not for my school, but for my internship. And I'm changing it to a cover letter so I can put that I am in school, so they can know that, like, I'm in school for in this specific field. And yeah, so I'm doing a little bit of work at work or outside of work. Don't turn it back. Don't turn it back. For real. Tomorrow, I just thought I'm just so overwhelmed. And then Friday, I'm gonna be overwhelmed. I just don't like doing stuff like that. Like, there'll be so many people. I know it's gonna be a long line. It's gonna be longer than it was when I took my test. Like, I don't be having patience and stuff like that. And then I still have to come into work after the fact. So it's just like, oh wait, okay, here. My hand's too slippery. Please, Giannis. Just do me a favor.
Am I supposed to touch your toe?
Yes. Just stick it through.
What? Oh shit.
I got a ball. It's actually not that long. I'm sad. I gotta order longer ones because what the hell? It's not that long. I might have to put a bigger ball on it because I don't know. Actually, I'm already knowing it's my office supplies. So I got a cute little board for me to like write little reminders. I did this when I'm at home. Okay. I need one for work because writing on notebooks like these, I can like sometimes forget to check them. So I got both. And then I got some cute pink. Oh, it's only one folder. I thought it was multiple. I just ordered a trash can for myself, a pink one. So of course everything is pink because yes. Supplies. Like, this no storage stuff is no joke, y'all. I'm literally gonna have to order a camera today. Like, seriously.
The truth is fitting, cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me, yeah, you so.
So I forgot to include my stapler. Hello. For real.
Never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar.
You guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos.
Why do you think my brain is made for?